Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kate, and today we're going to do a video all about Christmas. We're going to decorate, we're going to make cookies, we're going to take Pinterest Christmas photos, we're going to do all of the things. Ryan and I have to go run some errands, so let's do that first and we'll get into the whole Christmas theme of the day. So first, a quick OOTD. I have a headband on, gold jewelry, and then I have this sweater from Primark, these leggings from Lululemon, and some cozy socks. I'm gonna throw on my Sperry boots because it's raining today. We're gonna go to Starbucks for some fuel, and then we are going to stop at the grocery store to get things to make the gingerbread men and some food for today. We have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond because I need a rolling pin. Like, I do not have a rolling pin. And then we're gonna come home and we are going to make some lunch, and then we're going to bring out all the Christmas decor and start going at it. So let's go to Starbucks first. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Rudy and Cooper would go crazy over this. It's a little puppy, look. That's so cute. Oh my god. I want that. It's so cute. Got the groceries, we're going home. Okay, so as you just saw, we were playing some Mario Party. We just bought the game, the newest one or whatever. It was really fun, except I lost big time and Ryan won. Okay, so while Ryan brings up the Christmas bins, I'm gonna give you guys a quick, like, collective Christmassy haul. Well, first things first, we went to Costco and we got this dog advent calendar. It's huge. Look how cool this is. Oh my goodness. Bed Bath & Beyond had the cutest Christmassy decor pieces. We got a tree topper because our tree topper now is not like the best. So it basically like lights up like this. It's really cute. It's battery powered, which is nice because then you don't have to plug it in. And then we got this pack of Christmas trees that are like the same thing. They're like gold sparkly. Can you move, please? Thank you. And they just light up. This cute reusable bag is from Michael's. I thought it was adorable. It's where we got our tree as well. This is a new laptop case from Target. Got it for Black Friday. So cute. Got the dogs some sweaters. So this one's for Rudy and this one is from Aldi, and it was literally $5 and he looks so freaking cute in it. I think we're gonna put them on for you guys. But then Cooper's is this one. It's a little bit bigger. Also from Aldi's, $5. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And from Bed Bath & Beyond, we got Rudy a little UGG hat. It's like a little bear hat and some socks. And I literally cannot wait to put this on him. He's gonna look so cute. And then Cooper, we got a big onesie. It says UGG on the butt and it's like a little bear hat on it. To Michael's, we got a cookie tin. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute for our gingerbread men. We got these balls. They're sparkly and gold. Also got these dark red Christmas balls for the Christmas tree. Oh, also, quick honorable mention. Ivory Ella sent me a bunch of stuff like this month, and one of the things came a little later, and it was this mug. Look how cute. So adorable. I am obsessed. I had to mention that. So thank you, Ivory Ella. We also got tree scent thing. It's Oh Christmas Tree scented, and it's an ornament hook that you put on the tree to make it smell like it's a real tree. Smell. So anyways, that's the little haul. I do have more stuff to show you guys like upstairs, but that probably won't be it for another little bit. So let's get into decorating since Ryan brought up the boxes. We got the hat on Rudy. You look so cute. And Ryan's putting Cooper's on for us. And so now I gotta put Rudy's socks on that came with it. Oh my god, he looks so cute. I cannot take it. Oh my goodness, say hello. Oh my god, I can't. Rudy looks so cute. Here's Cooper's. He doesn't seem to quite like it, but Rudy is staying very still for us. We gotta fix Cooper up, but I think we're gonna open the advent calendar. Oh, Rudy's trying to take off his hat. You're silly. Are you so silly? They do not like this too much. We're gonna open your advent calendar. Time to open the advent calendar. You got a ball! You got a ball! I'll leave it at that, but let's clean up a little, get decorating. Okay, so as you just saw, we put some decorations up. It's not fully done yet, don't get me wrong, but we want to get in our pajamas. They're matching and they're from Old Navy. So I'm gonna show you a few things upstairs. We're gonna get in our pajamas and then we're going to hook up the tree and put the ornaments on so you guys will be there to see it all. So let's go upstairs. All right, so we are now upstairs and I'm gonna give you a really quick haul. Old Navy has the best Christmas pajamas, period. So we got matching pants. They're just a bunch of Santa Clauses and they have pockets, so bless up. These are Ryan's and then these are mine, same thing. And then we both got this exact same shirt and it just says Jolly for the holidays and it's a bunch of different Santas. Next is from a small business. We went to a little dog fair thing in our neighborhood and this little stand was there and this girl was super sweet, and anyway, basically her pet boutique is called Rescued & Co. Follow me on Instagram, I will definitely put them on my story and it will be in like my brands that I love highlight. So check it out, such a sweet girl. And she basically made bandanas. It says Felice Naughty Dog. That's for Rudy. And then Merry Christmas, you filthy animal for Cooper. So those are bandanas. And then we got them each an ornament that she handmade. And we put the date that they were born. So just like the year. So Rudy's is 2020, Rudy 2020. And then we have Cooper 2022. So those will go on the tree. You'll see us put those on the tree then. And we'll probably put these bandanas on the puppies as well. These two things are from Ulta. Ryan got me the Perfect parcel, which is the mini size of the Professionals by Benefit primer and the setting spray. So I'm taking this to California with me. And I got these nails. They're just like glue-on nails. Then, last but not least for this haul, is this Sephora Favorites collection. I got this at the Kohl's Sephora because they don't even sell this at the real Sephora. So here it is. You get a full size of the Amika the Cure mask, which is like one of my favorite things ever. And this whole thing was only $32. So you get like more for your money literally just because of this. And you get Olaplex #3, We Leave-In Conditioner, Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Primer Oil, Briogio's Superfood Mask, and then both Moroccan Oil Hydrating Conditioner and Shampoo sample sizes. So that's what it looks like. Ryan got this for me for like an early birthday present and I am obsessed. I cannot wait to take some of this to California. I'll probably take like these two, probably this, and probably like, I don't know. I honestly don't know yet, but I'm really excited. So stay tuned for that video because I'll talk about that then. But yes, let's jump into pajamas now and then we shall be ready to set up the Christmas tree. I'm so excited. This bandana, it's a little tiny bit big, but it looks so cute on him, and same with Cooper. It's pretty big. Here's our matching pajamas on. They are so comfortable. I love them. I got mine oversized, like a medium in both, and you got what?
Extra large.
On both? Pants. Large pants, extra large shirt. Yeah, I got like mediums because that's oversized on me, and I love them. They're a little bit long because I'm kind of short, but I love them. They're super cute. Ready to put up the tree? Yeah? Let's do it. Okay, so here's a quick overview of what we did so far. We put this little tree in this corner for now. Here are the stockings for the dogs and the little Christmas trees that will light up, but they need batteries. We need to hang the fish up there. We've been meaning to do that for a while. And then we hung our stockings here. I don't know if I like it yet or not. And then I think this basket will remain there, and then the little pillow crate will stay there. And then that is a jumble of blankets, but we always use it as a tree skirt because I think it looks so cute, and they're just 2 blankets from Target. So you'll see what it looks like when it's fully done. Okay, we're gonna make our gingerbread cookies now, beginning with 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so we added our butter and our 1/3 cup of molasses. Now we're adding in our brown sugar. I'm just gonna roughly this together. Okay, so the next step is to add 1 egg and 2 cups of flour. Okay, just because there's cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. We added that, we added our salt, we added our baking soda, so now it's just time to mix it, and I'm gonna go ahead with my hands and just mix up the dough. Just gonna plastic wrap this up a couple of times, preserve the freshness of it, and then we're gonna place it in the fridge for 1 hour. Welcome back to the kitchen. Got these 2 cute little cookie cutters from Target. This one's a gingerbread man, this one's a Christmas tree. Got our rolling pin, we have our flour laid out, we have 2 pans ready to go, and the oven is preheated. So now, it's just time to roll these out. Welcome to the Pinterest photo portion. It looks like they're playing in snow. We're gonna take a couple variations. I saw a bunch on Pinterest like this. We're also gonna do a Christmas tree. Alright, so cookies are done. We're going to carefully use a cookie spatula to transfer them over to the cooling rack. Some more Pinterest photos quick of them on the drying rack. And then it gives me something like that. Okay guys, we just got done putting the Christmas tree stuff up. It looks so cute. It looks so minimalistic and pretty. The stars on now, and I just have to fix the skirt. Yeah, so it's a tree skirt that I basically made up myself. They're just 2 Target blankets. They're like woven. I'm actually gonna show you, but here it is, the final product. It looks so pretty, and I'm gonna fix this. So let's go ahead and fix that. Take like 1 blanket first, and I just literally circularly pull it around the base, and then I just take the other one and I kind of complete the circle by making it a little bit higher and a little bit more fluffy, make it look like an actual tree skirt. I like the knit look, and Cooper likes it too apparently. Okay, so here it is. Look how pretty. Next, you will see us decorating some cookies, and then we will be getting ready for our movie. So we are ready to decorate our cookies. I have our white icing, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and like do an outline and try to do my best of like an outline. Okay, you guys, as you guys know, I just decorated the cookies with Ryan, and I wasn't the best at it, but it was still fun.